Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. To create a functional login button in a Java application, you'll typically use java.swing for a graphical user interface, GUI. Below, I will walk you through the steps to create a simple login form with a login button. Tutorial: Creating a login button in java.swing. Step 1. Set up your Java environment. Make sure you have Java Development Kit, JDK, installed and an IDE, like intellij IDEA, Eclipse, or NetBeans, to write and run your Java code. Step 2. Create a simple login form. 1. Create a new Java class, example loginform.java. 2. Import the necessary Swing components. 3. Set up the frame and components, labels, text fields, buttons. Here is a simple example of a login form with a login button. Explanation of the code. 1. Imports. We import necessary classes from javax.swing for GUI components and java.awt.event for handling events. 2. JFrame. We create a window, JFrame, to hold our login form. 3. JText field and JPassword field. We use JText field for the username and JPassword field for the password, which masks the input. 4. JButton. A button is created that triggers the login action when clicked. 5. Action Listener. We add an action listener to the login button to handle the click event. The handle login method checks if the entered username and password match predefined values. 6. Validation logic. Simple username and password validation is performed. If valid, it displays a success message, otherwise, it shows an error message. 7. Main method. The main method runs the application by instantiating the login form class. Step 3. Run the application. Compile and run your login form class. You should see a simple login interface where you can enter your username and password. Conclusion. This is a basic example of how to set up a login button and handle its actions in a java.swing application. You can expand upon this by adding more functionality, such as connecting to a database for user validation, improving the user interface, or implementing better security practices for password handling.